Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust bright on Dota 2. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Make sure that you open up your Dota 2 application and also log into your account first. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon at the top left hand corner. Now, from the display, choose the video option at the top. Click on Use Advanced Settings. Under Display Mode, click on the drop down and click on Exclusive Full Screen. Click on the Apply button and you'll be able to see the brightness option activate. Drag the slider in order to adjust the brightness of the game according to your preference, and after you are done, click on Apply, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to change or adjust your brightness settings on Dota 2. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.